video shows you how to establish a CAN connection between your computer and the system. Open the configuration menu and then select Interface Configuration. Select the interface type PCAN to establish a CAN connection to the system. Alternatively, the connection via RS-232 serial interface can also be selected. Then select the correct connected PCAN USB interface. If only one interface is connected, it will be displayed automatically. All other settings are default settings and do not usually need to be changed. Save the settings and leave the configuration menu. The search for devices starts automatically. Available devices are displayed on the left in the device list.